And welcome back to another video. This is CryptoKoinz, and this is just a little update I want to bring out to everyone's attention. A few days ago, I released this video, Sphere Finance, and I will leave a link under the description of this video if you guys want to check out that video. I talked about the project, how it works, how to get involved. This is just a position update for those of you who are invested in Sphere Finance or are interested in getting involved with Sphere Finance. So if we enter the dashboard, I invested about $500 in my original video, and after taxes that went down to around $440. And then the following day, to my Patreon followers, I announced that I was going to add to that position, and I added an additional $400. So total invested, pre-tax, I'm actually invested $900. And in just a few days, I'm now at $1,620. That is the value of my Sphere, and I'm holding 90,000 tokens. I'm up already from my initial investment, about 70% returns on my investment in just 2 or 3 days. Now granted, if I sell this, I'll be taking a 20% tax. If we look down here in the dashboard, it gives you the current Sphere price and the market cap that was there before. And it also shows you the treasury gains in the past 24 hours and the current treasury size. So they're adding more data into the dashboard that it is very useful. And this is a daily ROI and earning just about 100,000% APY. And here to the right, you have the tax bracket, just the numbers you need, the max tokens per buy, the max tokens per sell, and it gives you all the data, very easy to read. Right now, I'm earning $31 for doing absolutely nothing, just on the rebase, not even considering the price appreciation of Sphere. And I mentioned it to my Patreon members that this can easily surpass $100 million market cap. We're seeing a rotation and a need for new projects right now of capital that was invested, and we're seeing these type of projects getting that appreciation of the rotation. So I'm super bullish here just because I think it has potential to continue to run for the next few weeks. So it's at $30 million right now, and I think it can still 4x from these levels. I'm going to continue to track this and look out for any news. Also, if we look at QuickSwap in the past 24 hours, if we look at this number, they have surpassed the trading volume of some of the big names in QuickSwap. So these are the top traded by volume currently in QuickSwap. And in the past 24 hours, Sphere is here at number 7, surpassing USDT, surpassing ETH, surpassing DAI stablecoin. In the past 24 hours, $1.7 million worth of Sphere. And it shows the euphoria is here. And these are the kind of metrics I like to look at when investing in these particular tokens. I don't necessarily look at the price as a guide for entry. I look at the market cap, I look at the trading volume, and I look at the interest and the community and the euphoria. This is a momentum trade that is a win-win. I'm trading momentum and I'm earning rebases. It's dividends on steroids and trading momentum. You cannot beat DeFi. And I think they still have a long way to go. So that is the latest update, Sphere Finance. If you want to get involved and you want to know how to buy the token and earn passive income, I will leave a link under the description of this video to my previous video where I show you that tutorial and walkthrough. Also, don't forget, there is a new project being released tomorrow. This is Yieldzilla. I went over this project yesterday. This one's being released tomorrow. Oh, they have a timer now. Pink sale pre-sale in 20 hours. And this will be open to the public, fair launch. And if they do sell out, which I am sure they will, their liquidity will be around 6 million. And if we take a look at Sphere Finance, this one's currently at 30 million. So we're talking about a 5x, 6x if Yieldzilla performs similarly to Sphere Finance in just a few days. This is where the opportunity is at right now. These auto compounding projects make it very easy. You don't have to stake in the app. You don't have to lock up those tokens. You have full control of these tokens. You can withdraw at any time, and it's earning you daily yield that compounds. That is powerful. So this was just a quick update. That's where we stand. If there's more information, I'll make sure to make another video and keep everybody up to date. If you found this video of any value, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.